My name's Michelle Holmes.
Trent Allen.
My name's Mary.
My name's Sandy.
I'm Rachel Douglas.
I've met Accelerate about 8 or 9 years ago.
And I've been coming to Accelerate Automotive since they started.
I've never been in the place where you feel relaxed and comfortable, straight up.
We've got to know them over the years and, which definitely helps, but you can see their genuine attitude.
For starters, they're just friendly people and they're good with the cars. Like, I'm a tradie, so I need a reliable car.
They make you feel like part of the organisation, so you're not just a customer.
And I've recommended so many people because of how they treat you as well. They make you feel like you're part of the family.
I live in a street where Centenary Motors, the large Mercedes dealership, is in Doringa. The sales manager there at the time was a friend of mine, and I went down to him to ask him for somebody that he could recommend to me to service my car. He knew me, he knew how I was, he knew my personality and my nature, and he recommended I come and see Alan and Carl.
Definitely they've helped us with warranty claims, from manufacturers, gone out of their way, over and above. I had a guy looking at a BMW I had for sale, and just as I was showing him, because he never used to drive it much, the warning light came on. And I rang Al and I said, "Why is that?" He said, "Bring it round here, mate." He said, "I'll make it go away because it's probably just from lack of use." And he spoke to the guy. It just turned up here, just stuff like that.
I have recommended Accelerate to numerous people, and I have absolutely no hesitation in doing so because of their reliability and their honesty and their flexibility. They are absolutely fantastic, and that's what I say, if you give them a go, you won't change.
For me, it's a personal thing too. I also want to know that I'm dealing with a particular level of quality, and I think it's fair to say if you drop your car into a large dealership, you don't know who services.
I bought my VY brand new, which was a dealership, and essentially once they've sold you the car, and no longer interested in you, go and see the mechanics who don't know you. There's no relationship, and that's probably the important thing, is the relationship here.
I don't get that from a large dealership. Book it in, see you in 3 days' time at 7:30 in the morning. So that's the sort of service that Accelerate have offered me.
I would highly recommend Accelerate Automotive to all of my family and friends.
If it's somebody that knows me and I tell them to come to Accelerate, I know, and I might add I expect, that they're going to get service.
So most of my friends do come here based on my recommendations. Family do as well.
I'd absolutely recommend the wonderful team at Accelerate.
These guys have been looking after my car. Give them a go, tell them I sent you, they'll look after you.